Hello and welcome to PB Motor Group. This is Prash. So we've just had this Vauxhall Astra van delivered this week. So we're going to talk to you about the condition of the vehicle and what we're going to do to the vehicle. So starting off, it's 2013 Vauxhall Astra van. It's a 1.7 diesel engine, 109 brake horsepower on there. It comes with the 19-inch black wheels. So this vehicle was purchased from BCA. It was graded as a grade 5, which is almost at the lowest. Now let's talk about the condition of the vehicle. As you can see, it's a white van. With black wing mirrors on there. So if you take a closer look at the paintwork of the vehicle, so it's all rough. As you can see, there's some yellow bits across down here. So what someone's actually done, it looks like they've taken a roller brush and just literally painted it white. So if I open the door, it'll give you a better look at what we're actually working with here. So from doing a bit of digging around with the history of the vehicle was purchased white at brand new. Then possibly a council or another company has sprayed it yellow, which was done as a professional job. Then it was sold on and someone decided to paint it white again, but obviously has not done a great job with it. You can see that the roof is black, the wing mirrors are black. So now if we come to the rear of the vehicle, you can see the boot lid is black as well. Again, it's a shabby paint job. Whoever's painted it, it's not a professional. Have a look at this side. So this side, what we've done, we've just to see what we're actually working with, we've got a bit of paint thinner and taken some of the white off. As you can see, it came off very easily. This literally took us a couple of minutes to take off, just with a cloth and a bit of paint thinner. As you can see, it's yellow. If we take a look around, overall body condition's all right. It's just the actual paintwork that needs rectifying. Take a look around here, again it's the same situation with the bonnet. They've also decided to spray all the grills black instead of grey, and obviously the bottom trim in there as well. Now let's talk about what we're actually going to do to the vehicle. So first things first is going into the body shop on Monday. So what he's going to be doing, he's going to be stripping the first layer of the paint off from the roof, from the back, as well as the rest of the car. So he's going to put it back to yellow, and he's going to be prepping the car, and then we should see it go back to its original as it should be white. Alongside that, we're going to be spraying all of the door shuts and returns as well. Also the petrol cap, the boot lids, the roof we're going to make black again as well. We're going to remove the lighting, and the holes will be welded back and then prepped and sprayed again. As you can see from the vehicle, it has got front tints on there, which is not road legal. We at PB Motor Group only sell road legal vehicles, so we'll be removing the tint films from the front of the vehicle and restoring it back to manufacturer specification. Now let's have a look at the condition of the car, starting with the boot. So as you can see, it came with some speakers, some home hi-fi speakers. I don't know what the vehicle was used for. Maybe it was a love shack, I'm not sure. But we're going to be stripping it all back down, removing all the additional wiring and putting it back to the original manufacturer speakers. Now let's have a look at the condition of the car at the front. Again, the seats are pretty grim, they're just dirty, they just need a good valet, a good clean, and we'll get it looking like brand new again. I know I've been asked many times already by people, why am I getting the van resprayed again? Is it cost effective? Honestly speaking, at this moment in time, I'm not sure, but I'm still quite hopeful that I can still make a decent profit from it. So we've just been looking around the van and we've figured out what they've used to spray the van. So firstly, the white. Appliance gloss white from Halford. That's what they've used to spray the van white. And to spray the boot lid and the roof, they've used gloss spray blade paint. it's going to be in terms of the body shop prepping it, and thereafter it'll be sort of MOT, road test of the vehicle. We'll polish up the alloys again. So give us a follow on YouTube at PB Motor Group. Also share us, like us, subscribe to our channel. There's a lot more contents coming soon. We're on Instagram as well at PB Motor Group. Give us a follow. Thank you.